Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Golf bonnet when the release cable is broken. This straightforward method helps you gain access without needing to remove a wheel or other complex steps. You'll need just a few basic tools, specifically a flat blade screwdriver and a 10mm spanner. Remember to wrap your screwdriver in tape or a cloth to protect your car's paint during the process. First, you need to create a small opening. Gently pry the bonnet up a few millimeters, ideally near the Volkswagen badge. Use your tape-wrapped screwdriver to carefully create a slight gap. This small space will allow you to see the bonnet latch mechanism and the two bolts holding it in place. Be patient and apply gentle, steady pressure to avoid any damage. Now, look into the gap you've created. You should see two 10mm bolts that secure the bonnet latch. Take your 10mm spanner and carefully begin to loosen the first bolt. This one is typically located closer to the left side of the Volkswagen badge. As you loosen it, the bonnet should lift a little more, giving you slightly better access for the next step. With the first bolt loosened, continue by carefully loosening the second 10mm bolt. This one is often a bit trickier to reach, being positioned further back. Once both bolts are sufficiently loose, your bonnet will finally spring open. After gaining access, it's a good idea to inspect the cable and lubricate the latch mechanism with a product such as WD-40 to ensure smooth operation and prevent future problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.